Assalamu alaikum everyone, once again welcome back to another video. So this is Raihan Ahmed. Welcome back to today's lesson. So guys, and now I am somewhere at Shahjalal Mazar. So guys, I am going to practice speaking English. So guys, let's get started today's video. So guys, every single day I make video for you. So every single video I talk regarding surrounding area, mosque, field, how about historical places, inshallah. So guys, every single video have 30 sentences so that you can able to practice. You guys able to see the surrounding area, my way of practice. Okay, 30 sentences. So guys, you guys are able to see I am somewhere at Shahjalal Mazar. So you guys are able to see. So just hang on in a minute. There are a lot of people. There are a number of people. Just have a look. Let's have a look. There are so many people. Just hang on a minute. After some time, I will start practice. So let's have a look. They are quarreling together for taking food. Shinni. They quarreling for food. You guys are able to see. Ayo. They are quarreling. There are a number of people. They are quarreling regarding food. So Some of them do not get food, so this is why they are quarreling to take food. I mean, Sydney. So guys, inshallah, we will practice every single day. We have to practice every single day, and whenever I go anywhere, I practice inshallah. So we have to practice. We don't have to be perfect. We need we need not to be perfect. Okay, we need confidence. Okay, because confidence is more significant, more important than perfection. Okay, every single day when while I practice, I make mistakes. I don't worry about it. Okay, so I'm not worried of making mistakes. So we have to practice. We have to be confident so that we will be able to speak fluently. Okay, we need speak slowly but clearly, slowly but surely. Okay, so guys, you guys are able to see I am somewhere at Shahjalal Mazar. So guys, every single day we have to practice, and I have to practice to develop my speaking English. Okay, so guys, yeah, you guys already been seen they are quarreling for food. Okay, they are quarreling for food. Let's have a look and enjoy the beauty of the Shahjalal Mazar. Okay, there are a lot of people. They are quarreling for food. There is a shoe rack. Okay. Just hang on a minute, guys. I need to take my sandal. Just hang on a minute. কত ভাই দিয়ে দেন 5 টাকা 10 টাকা দিয়ে আমরা দিই আগে হটা জারু দিত অনেকটা জারু দিত 70 টাকা কিছু বেশি তোর বাবা বাদ এই দাম Okay, just hang on a minute, guys. I take my sandal from right corner. Just hang on a minute. So within a few seconds I will practice again. So enjoy the beauty. How sunny day. The weather is so pleasant. It makes me relaxed. Okay, cheerful as well, delightful. So enjoy the beauty of the nature, enjoy the beauty of the Shahjalal Mazar. Okay. Okay, there are a number of pigeons. Okay, you guys are able to see. Let's enjoy. Let's see. There are so many, several pigeons. So guys, every single video I will try to make minimum 30 sentences. Okay, so today is not different. I am visiting Shahjalal Mazar today. This is a very famous place in Sylhet. Okay, many people, a number of people come here every single day. The environment here is very peaceful, amazing. I really mesmerized to see the beauty. Okay, so let's enjoy the beauty. Okay, so I am enjoying my time here. Okay, the place has a long history. The place has a long history. So you guys are able to see there are a number of several pigeons. Okay, people come here from different places. I can see many visitors here. Okay, you guys are able to see. Oh, wow, there. You guys are enjoying pigeons flying. Let's have a look. There are so many pigeons. Okay. Let's enjoy the beauty. I come here alone. Okay, many people, a number of people come here from different places. Okay, the architecture is beautiful. Just have a look. Okay, sunny day. The architecture of the Mazar, the architecture of the mosque, amazing, outstanding, splendid. Okay, you guys are able to see the architecture of the mosque of the Mazar. Okay, there is no permission to go there. Okay, video camera, mobile phone is disallowed. Okay, so there is no permission to enter the Mazar with camera, mobile phone is disallowed. Okay, so guys, let's enjoy the beauty. Okay, so guys, every single day we have to practice. Nothing, no way, nothing else. We need confidence. Only we have to practice. Okay, so there are many shop as well. So after some time, if possible, I will go there. So I'm walking around the Mazar. Okay, the place is quite crowded today. There are a number of people. You guys are able to see, quite crowded. Okay, after evening a lot of a number of several people will come here to enjoy the beauty from there for take prayer or for taking prayer or salat. Okay, because today is Thursday and tomorrow is Friday, so many people, a number of people, several people will come here to to enjoy, to visit Shahjalal Mazar. Okay, so I'm walking beside or around pond, historical pond. There are a number of fishes. Let's enjoy. Okay, there are no fish. Just hang a minute to see a lot of fish. Huge, massive size fish. Okay, so there are no enough visible fish. So let's go another place. Hang on a minute. You guys are able to see a number of people, quite crowd. They come here from different places, different part of the country. They come here to visit Shahjalal Mazar from their respect. So they every single day, on our people come here. Okay. Till sunny day, you guys are able to see. Too sunny. I need a safe place to stand and to speak, to talk or speaking class. Just hang on a minute. Okay. Okay. Let's enjoy the beauty. So guys, you guys are able to see there are a number of people. They come here from different parts of the country. Just have a look. Okay guys, today I'm practicing English. Okay, here I'm trying to speak English confidently. I sometimes make mistakes while speaking. Okay, but I'm not afraid of making mistakes. So every single places, a number of people standing here. Okay. So guys, okay, I sometimes make mistake while speaking. You guys are able to know. You guys are able to see. So I'm not afraid of making mistakes. Practice makes us better. Okay. Practice makes us better. Okay. Okay. Practice makes a person perfect. Okay. I want to improve. I would like to improve my English speaking skills. I will keep practicing every single day. I hope you enjoy this video. The environment here is very beautiful. Too crowded. You guys are able to see. Few minutes ago, they are quarreling for food. The place has a long history. I can see many visitors here. People come here from different parts of the country, from different places. I come here alone. The architecture